How does a wooden giant make you feel so small, yet so inspired? The last time we were in Tulum, Mexico, we decided we had to see a unique and popular sculpture. We first saw her on social media. She was everywhere: Instagram, TikTok, travel blogs. This towering wooden woman opening her chest to reveal a tunnel of green plants inside. People posed in her heart like they were stepping into another world. Her name was Ven a la Luz, which means come into the light in Spanish. From what I saw online, I thought she was just along the road and free to visit. Maybe it was like that before, but by the time we got there, the sculpture had been moved inside the Ahau Sculpture Exhibition. It's still on Tulum's beach road, but now it's behind a small entrance gate. You have to pay a small fee, just a few dollars, to see her up close. At first I thought, do we really want to pay? But we were already there, and I knew there would be other arts inside. So we went for it. Why is she so famous? Ven a la Luz became viral because she's more than just a statue. She feels alive. She's made from wood, rope, and greenery, and stands about 30 feet tall. Her hands pull apart her chest, opening it like a doorway, and inside is a tunnel covered in leaves and vines. The shape of her face is calm and gentle, like she's guarding something magical. People love taking photos here, including us, because it's not just art, it's an experience. The texture, the scale, the colors, the way the light passes through, it all feels like stepping into a dream. How to find her? She's right along Tulum's main beach road, in front of Ahau Tulum Hotel. If you're coming in from the downtown area, you'll see the signs from the hotel. The entrance to the sculpture is easy to spot. You can't miss the large gate and people with cameras around. And getting in, the fee was about 70 pesos or around $4 USD for each adult. Kids were free. Once you go in, you realize it's not just one sculpture. It's a little open-air art park. Inside the exhibition, the first thing you see is Ven a la Luz herself. She's bigger in real life than she looks in pictures. We took our time here since no one else was around yet. Our kid, including us, were so excited. We wanted to try all sorts of poses. We stood inside her chest, pretending to push the giant wooden hands apart. We also did a looking up in wonder pose. We all laughed when we tried a superhero pose like he was flying out of her chest. After that, we moved to another sculpture, a giant set of wooden angel wings. You can stand in the middle, and from the front, it looks like the wings are yours. We got creative here. We did all sort of poses. A hopping pose to make it look like we were floating, angelic hand gestures, and even silly dance moves. Our kid copied every pose, adding his own twist. It was pure fun. And here's the best part. Because we came early, we had a good 15 minutes with almost no one else there. It felt like we had rented the whole place just for ourselves. We kept doing wacky poses until we get that perfect shot. But after a while, more people started coming in. That's when we gave up our spot in front of the giant lady and this angel wings and explored the other corners. We stayed about 40 minutes in total. By the time we left, our phones were full of amazing photos. Some serious, some silly, but all unforgettable. The sunlight was perfect, and the textures of the wood and leaves made every picture pop. Here are a few tips if you go. Go in the morning or on a weekday to avoid crowds. Wear light clothes. It's hot in Tulum. You may bring water because it's outdoors. Take your time and get creative with your poses. But be considerate of other people waiting behind you. And don't just take pictures. Look closely at the details. For just a few dollars, we got one of our most memorable family moments in Tulum. Then Alaluth wasn't just a quick stop, it was an experience filled with art, laughter, and creativity. Our kid still talks about the giant lady with the garden heart. And every time we see the photos, we remember how much fun we had together.